Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve example 6 from chapter 7 coordinate geometry. In my previous videos, I've completed the distance formula, section formula, examples 1 to 5, exercise 7.1 from the same chapter. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So now quickly let us begin with the video. Example 6 from chapter 7 coordinate geometry says find the coordinates of point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internal. So here we have to find the coordinates of a point. For example, there is a point Px, y and we have to find out the coordinates of this point which divides a line segment. So for example, if we consider this line as AB whose coordinates are given as 4, -3 and 8, 5. So this point P divides this line AB. So for example, if the point P is here, which divides this line AB in the ratio 3:1 internally. And the coordinates of this point AB are also given. So we have to find out the coordinates of this point P. So whenever they ask find the coordinates of a point P, then we have to apply the section formula. If they ask us to find out the distance between the 2 points, then we have to use the distance formula which we have learned in our previous videos. So to find out the coordinates of this point P, we have to apply the section formula which is given by this. I have explained you in my previous video, that is introduction to section formula. Please watch that video before solving the examples and the exercise 7.2. So the section formula is given by m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 m2, and the y coordinate is given by m1 y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate formula. If you assume the point A to be x1 y1 and point B to be x2 y2, then we will apply this formula. And here m1 m2 value is what? M1 is 3 and m2 is, which divides this line AB in ratio 3:1. Here m1 m2 is the given ratio, that is 3:1. So using this formula we will find out the coordinates for point P, that is x and y value. So here let us first write down, let the given points be A and B. Point A, that is 4, -3 and point B 8, 5, and let the point P x, y which divides AB in the ratio 3:1 internally. Hence the coordinates of point P x, y can be found out by using this section formula. Also m1 will be equal to 3 and m2 will be equal to 1 in this formula when you substitute. So what is m1 value? It is 3 into x2. x2 here is 8 plus m2 is 1 into x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 1, and the y coordinate will be again m1 value is 3 into y2 is 5, m2 is 1 and y1 is -3 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 1. Simplifying further, 8 into 3 is 24 plus 1 into 4 is 4 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4, again 5 into 3 is 15, then -3 into 1 will be -3 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. So what is 24 plus 4? It is 28 divided by 4, and 15 minus 3 is 12 divided by 4. So here we can cancel 4 1 times, 4 7s are 28, and again here 4 1 times, 4 3s are 12. So therefore we get 7, 3 as the coordinates, which is x and y value, right? So therefore you can write down 7, 3 is the required coordinate of the point, is the required coordinates which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1. So this is how we solve this example 6. If you have any further doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving example 7 from chapter 7 coordinate geometry. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC Insert Math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 7 coordinate geometry shown on the screen. Thank you.